Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're tuning into this, you already know the ground beneath us is shifting. We aren't going to sit here and talk about some far-off theoretical future today. Instead, we're diving straight into exactly how artificial intelligence is fundamentally rewriting the rules of how we work, how we learn, and honestly, how global power operates right now in 2026. So here's a big question for you. Is AI the most important technology of this century? I know, it's a massive claim to make. But when you think about how deeply these smart models have woven themselves into the everyday fabric of our lives, I mean, everything from micrologistics to macro manufacturing, it's pretty clear AI has definitively moved from a cool sci-fi idea to our present, everyday reality. Let's look at the evidence. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the AI reality of 2026. Then, transforming business and jobs, followed by revolutionizing healthcare and education. After that, we'll touch on the global AI competition, and finally, wrap up with challenges and future responsibility. Kicking things off with Section 1, the AI reality of 2026. It is no longer a future idea. So, what's actually fueling all this crazy momentum? Well, in a word, billions. We are seeing just an unprecedented deluge of global capital pouring straight into AI research. Companies worldwide are betting heavy on this rapid growth. It's totally shifted from being just some R&D side project to becoming the absolute core financial focus of the tech world today. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how those massive investments are showing up in highly tangible everyday tasks. We all know AI writes articles, creates images, and analyzes data. But honestly, it's the sheer speed and scale of what it does now, like helping doctors with complex procedures and fully supporting enterprise businesses, that proves experts right. This really is the defining technology of our century. It's pure execution at this point. Moving on to Section 2, transforming business and jobs. We're looking at productivity, costs, and the workforce. Now, you might be wondering, what does this actually mean for us on a micro level? Well, businesses are aggressively deploying these tools to slash costs and boost productivity. But with that efficiency comes a pretty profound tension. On the left side, you've got the very real anxiety surrounding automation and changing legacy jobs. But contrast that with the right side, where we are seeing an absolute boom in new opportunities, things like AI development, data science, and technology management. It really prompts you to step back and ask what this shifting landscape means for your own career, doesn't it? Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, revolutionizing healthcare and education. We're talking about healing and learning in 2026. Because it's not just about how we work, it's about how we heal. In healthcare, this integration is literally revolutionary. Researchers are leveraging AI systems to analyze complex medical images with a level of precision humans just can't match at scale. It's out there right now, discovering new medicines and providing much faster diagnoses. And the ultimate endgame? The goal is to make high-tier healthcare not just faster, but genuinely more affordable and accessible for everyone. And, parallel to healing, it's also changing how we learn. Education is going through its own renaissance right now. We're seeing AI-powered tools that completely revamp research and skill building. But the real game changer here is hyper-personalized learning. Imagine students having personalized AI tutors tailored exactly to their needs, while simultaneously generating better educational content and saving teachers countless hours of administrative work. It's a massive win-win for everyone involved. Which brings us to Section 4, the global AI competition. This is the race for technological dominance. So why does all of this local stuff matter on a macro scale? Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that it shows how AI isn't just reshaping our local clinics and classrooms, it is actively redrawing the map of global power. We are looking at a fiercely intense international competition for AI leadership, primarily between the United States and China. And look at the stakes here. We're talking about massive drivers like economic growth, national security, and just raw global influence. In fact, to quote directly from the source material, the country that develops advanced AI systems may have a strong advantage in future industries. That is a pretty blunt reality right there. Leadership in artificial intelligence isn't just a trophy for the tech sector. It is quite literally the ultimate engine for future global dominance. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Challenges and Future Responsibility, Navigating the Risks of AI. Of course, you can't have these massive, world-altering technological benefits without hitting some equally massive societal roadblocks.
Today's major AI challenges are serious. We're talking about major privacy issues, the hyperspeed spread of misinformation, and just the overarching ethics of responsible use. These are not minor bugs. They're foundational concerns that have governments and tech companies worldwide absolutely scrambling to build frameworks for safer, more reliable AI systems.
So the crucial point is this. Despite those growing hurdles, the trajectory we are on is clear. The future of AI looks extremely powerful. It's acting as a giant lever to help humans solve highly complex problems, discover brand new technologies, and genuinely improve life around the world. Make no mistake, we are right in the middle of an incredible revolution. Which leaves us with one final, profound question. How responsibly will humans use it? The power of this technology is absolutely undeniable, but at the end of the day, our collective human foresight and responsibility will be the ultimate deciding factor in how this revolution actually unfolds. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer today. Keep questioning the world around you, and I'll catch you in the next one.